Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Varun Patel from varunpatelphotography.com. So in today's video we are going to see a method called inverted high pass. This method is really helpful when you are looking forward to have a quick skin smoothing effect on your model's skin. This method solves a lot of skin problem, and this does it so fast. Like if you are on the go, this is definitely the method you need to go for. Anyways, let's understand the method. Okay, so as you can see over here, we have two images. One has been shot with natural light, another one is with the studio light. I'll be explaining this method on both of these images. So first what we are going to do is we are going to duplicate this layer by dragging and dropping it over here. I will invert this layer by pressing Command I, which is Control I for Windows, and changing the blend mode to linear light. Sorry, vivid light, not linear light, vivid light. Okay. Then your image will look something like this. Now the next step is to go under filter, other, high pass. For this value, I normally prefer a value that is divisible by 3. Alright, and what else I see is I should not be able to see this red dots much. Okay, right now this much is fine. If I go like double up, if I go 30, you see it's way too much now. So I keep it, I try to keep this red lines as less as possible, and I go with a number that is divisible by 3. So we are going to put 15 over here, and next step we are going to go again in filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and I'll be putting up 5. Now 5 is what you get when you divide 15 by 3. Okay, so 5 I'm gonna put over here and press OK. I will be putting up inverted mask, because you see the effect is applied on the entire layer, and select the white color over here, and opacity and flow should be 100 and 100. Okay, now I'm painting over the skin wherever I want the effect. I'm just painting over that portion. I don't want to apply the effect on the lips, I don't want to apply the effect on the nose, and I also don't want to apply the effect on the eyes. So I'm going to avoid those areas. I don't want it to apply on the nose tip, not on the nose. I definitely want to apply that, and I will be just painting it over here. Just a few seconds and you see what we got before and after. So this is one of the easiest method and one of the fastest method to smooth out the skin. Let's see that same method on the next image. So we are here on our next image. I'm going to duplicate this layer. I will select vivid light from here, invert this mask, Control I से invert हो जाएगा, and with that, after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under others. I'll go with high pass. I'll put 15 over here. Alright, I'll go with the same number because this image has been shot with the same camera. Alright, and with the Gaussian blur I'm gonna put 5. Alright, you see the freckles are already almost gone, and I'll put an inverted mask over here. See, I'm not saying this is the best way to process the skin, okay, but this is definitely one of the fastest way to process the skin. If you are looking for a very smooth porcelain skin kind of effect, this is a good way to do it. Alright, and yes, we are almost there. Now on the neck, quickly. Okay, some people might not like this effect. I completely agree with them also, because this is something that might end up looking a little bit smooth. To my taste, this is definitely a little bit more smoother. You can control the effect anytime with the opacity, but I normally would like to go with this particular look only, where you have a lot of detail and a lot of textures and everything is visible. This is something I have seen a lot of the clients are preferring looks like this. See, what my funda is, happy client is happy you. So if your client is asking for this, go ahead and give it to them. It's not about the dodge and burn and frequency separation all the time. You cannot do that when you're editing on budget images. Okay, so if you're editing for a budget image and if your client is fine with this kind of effect, inverted high pass is definitely your method to go with. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know if you have any questions or queries. You can write us under the comment section. I'll be answering you over there. Anyways, this is your friend signing off for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.